Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to create a simple REST API along with a web server in GoLang. Also I will show you how to install or integrate a Postgres database as well. But in the next video we will see how to send or get data from Postgres database. But in this video we will just connect to our Postgres database. So yeah, let's get started. So first what you will have to do is you will have to create a folder with some name. So I have created it called my project. Then what you will have to do is you will have to open your terminal, cd to that folder where you have created it, and you will have to run this command go mod init, and this should be your folder name. Once you do that, then you will have to run this command go get github.com/gofiber/fiber/v3. so this go fiber is if you know node.js, then it is something like express.js, like it is a web framework. If you know php, then it is like laravel. For java it is spring boot. For I think c# it is .net, so something like that. So here you are installing this go fiber dependency. It will help us to create a web server as well as create a simple API endpoint as well. Now if you want to connect to your database like Postgres database, so first you have to install this GOM package or GORM, however you pronounce it, or GoRM or Go or GoRM, I don't know, but you can install this package, and we have to install a driver from this package as well. So I'm using Postgres database, but if you're using some other database, you can just check the documentation and install that package as well. But the way, if you are using something else like some other database, the way you connect might change a little, so you will have to refer to the documentation. Next, all you have to do is create this main.go file. Inside that we are initializing the fiber dependency. So if you check the documentation, I'm literally copying everything from the documentation. So here it will create an endpoint with a /. That's it. And the syntax is very similar to express.js because this was inspired by express.js. So if you see, I'm just creating an app object using fiber.new and then calling .get, and I'm just returning JSON of hello world. That's it. Now if you go to if you want to run this application, just do go run main.go, and if you go to localhost :3000, because I'm listening on port 3000 also, okay, make sure you add this as well. If you go to localhost 3000, you should see hello world. That's it. Now if you want to connect to Postgres database as well, like first you have to give your host name. What is the host name of your Postgres database? Then the username. So here you will have to add username, then the password, then the database name, then the port number, and SSL mode I have kept it disabled. Then here you get an object for database as well, but because I am not using it, I have marked it as underscore and underscore. And here you can see the second variable which we get is error. Then here we are using gom.open postgres.open your dsn, sorry, and here again this is like I have copy pasted this from the docs. And if there is any error, then I am calling the panic statement, and if there is no error, then yeah, automatically listen to port 3000. So yeah, that's how simple it is to create a simple and API endpoint with a web server in GoLang. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. In the next video we will see how to post data to Postgres database as well as get data from it. Thank you for watching. Bye.